back to my channel. Today we are going to make a classic meringue cake. It's a delightful dessert with a perfect balance of sweetness and texture. Here is a recipe for a classic meringue cake that serves about 19 people. Ingredients for meringue cake sponge: 6 eggs of white, 300 grams of sugar, 1 lemon juice, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, a pinch of salt. Beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt using mixer on a medium speed. Gradually add sugar while continuing to beat. Now we need to add the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, cornstarch, and we need to mix them very well. Meringue cake sponge is almost done, and we need to bake it on the oven 150 Celsius degree for 35 minutes. Wow, it looks great! Now let's prepare filling cream for our meringue cake. Ingredients for filling cream: 300 milliliters of whipping cream, 1 lemon juice, 30 milliliters of caramel, 50 gram sugar. And add all of them and mix them very well. Okay, now take 6-7 strawberries and cut them into slices. Later, take your whipping cream and spread it to your meringue sponge cake. Okay, now place the strawberries on the meringue cake sponge. Now we need to roll the cake, but be careful while rolling it. Let's decorate our meringue cake. This dessert tastes amazing. The texture and flavor are simple but delicious. With every bite, you experience a moment of indulgence that feels as elegant as it's satisfying. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and comment. Happy baking!